up at the pond, and we found some kayaks. Well, they've been there a while. Ooh, flash! Ah, so that's where the water's coming from, so it is draining. There's another one there. Fuck, that needs a clean. I don't think it's deep, I can see the bottom.
Oh yeah, just go and walk in.
No! Have we only got one paddle?
No, it's probably in there somewhere, isn't it?
Oh well, kids, you can go kayaking. And up there we'll see if we can fix the flying fox, because they've taken the wire that goes to that line over there. And as you can see, we need to plant up a lot. It's kind of slipping away a bit. It's alright, we'll restore the native plants around here. They've got a few dotted around so we can take cuttings from them. There's manuka, toi toi. There's that kanuka, some flax and ferns around, cabbage tree. So yeah, there's a bit around here we can use to propagate some more, especially these ferns. They'll do well around the water. I don't know what that reed is in the middle of there, but apparently that's what colour they go in winter. Ugly.